In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a shipping address on an Amazon order before it ships. Whether you've realized there's an error or simply need to redirect your delivery, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's make sure your packages end up exactly where you want them. First, let's head over to Amazon.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Your Orders section. This is your personal hub where you can view and manage all of your recent purchases. It's super convenient and will be your go-to place for any order adjustments you might need to make. Once you're in the Your Orders section, take a moment to find the specific order that requires an address change. Click on Order Detail, which will take you down a more granular path where all the information about this particular order is stored. Next up, look for the shipping address information. If your order is still in the pre-shipping phase, you should see a Change button right next to the address details. Go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to select a different address from your saved addresses. If none of those fit the bill, don't worry. You can also add a completely new address that better suits your requirements. Now, sometimes you might find the Change button is not available. This usually means the order has entered the shipping process already. When this happens, you'll need to consider canceling the order and placing a new one with the correct shipping details. It's a bit of a hassle, yes, but it ensures your item will get to the right place. If your order is fulfilled by a third-party seller, there's an extra step to consider. You can contact the seller directly from your order details page. Explain your situation and request an address change. If the order has already shipped, you might need to work with the seller on potential solutions, like redelivery. Finally, a quick tip. If you're using the Amazon mobile app, you might notice that some cancellation or change options are limited. It turns out, using a desktop computer for this task can open up more options according to Amazon.com. So, for the best results, try managing your orders on a desktop. And there you have it. Making sure your packages get to where they need to be can be a smooth process if you follow these steps. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and guides to make your online shopping experience even better.